Hello, my name is Doran, and I'm a rising senior in Stuyvesant High School. The game that I made is called Liminal, and it's mainly about problem solving, and you can move around different obstacles in order to get to the next level, and you can also collect stars along the way. I've always been fascinated by games, and I loved playing them, but I never intended or thought that I would ever make a game, so when I saw the opportunity for game design, I was really inspired and I really wanted to make my own game, so I signed up and ended up making my game. Along the way, I learned different concepts such as game theory and actual game coding, and I would definitely recommend this course to other people because it's a very thought-provoking course and I learned so much from it.